Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. 7th class. How are you? Hope fine. 7th class, as you know, collection of distinct and well-defined objects or numbers is called a set, and these numbers or objects are called members or elements of a set. Okay, and you also know the meaning of word distinct and well-defined. Students, distinct means no object, no member, no element of a set will be repeated more than once. And well defined means the specific property of an object which enables it. Is it a member or element of a set or not? Okay, for example, when we say set of boys, it means it is correct, it is a set. When we say set of good boys, it is not a set because the word good is not well defined. We can't explain the word good or bad or any type of quality. Okay, students, in our this lecture we will discuss about expressing a set. As you know, we can express a set in three forms. Number 1, descriptive form. Which one? Number 2, tabular form. Number 3, set builder form. Okay, and we will discuss them one by one. First one is descriptive form. In descriptive form, if a set is described with the help of a statement, it is called descriptive form. For example, this one, set of natural numbers, set of integers, set of prime numbers, set of whole numbers, set of solar months with starts with letter J, etc. All these are examples of descriptive form. In other words, when we can say if we described a set in the form of a statement, or when we write a set in words, it is called descriptive form. Okay, as these examples shown. Number 2, this one is tabular form. If we list all elements of a set within the braces and separate each element by using a comma, it is called tabular form or poster form. Students, when we write a set within the braces and put commas after each element or separate each element by putting commas, it is called tabular form of a set. Okay, for example, A is equal to A, E, I, O, U, and all elements are separated by putting commas. It is a set of vowels. Next, M is equal to football, hockey, cricket, and these games are separated by commas, and it is also a set of games, 3 games. Name of 3 games or set of games. Okay, and W is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3 dash dash, and all elements are separated by commas. It is a set of whole numbers, and so on. So all these are examples of tabular form. Okay, again I will revise it. In descriptive form, we describe a set in the form of a statement or with the help of a statement. When we describe a set, it is called descriptive form. We write the set in the form of a statement, like n is equal to set of natural numbers, set of whole numbers, set of prime numbers. And in tabular form, when we draw braces and write the set within braces and put commas after each element to separate them, it is called tabular form. Okay, next one is set builder form. It is totally different from first two. To understand this type of set or this form of set, there are some symbols which are necessary to understand, students. So first of all, we will read it and then try to understand with the help of examples. Okay, if a set is described by using a common property of all its elements, it is called set builder form. Now we will try to understand this definition of a set builder form by an example. With the help of an example, for example, E is equal to set of even numbers. E is a set of even numbers. It is a descriptive form which is given here, and we can write this descriptive form in tabular form here like this: E is equal to 2, 4, 6 and so on. And we can also write it in set builder form. Before starting it, there are some symbols used in set builder form, which are, first of all, this straight line. It means such that, and this symbol means and this one means greater than or equal to, and this symbol means less than and equal to, and this symbol means belongs to, and this one is or. With the help of these 6 symbols, we will try to understand, or we will write a set in the form of set builder form. Okay, let's try. E is equal to x such that, this means such that x such that x is an even number. Okay, it is a form of set builder. Next, there are some more examples. A is equal to x such that x is a solar month of a year. Here again this symbol is used. Next, B is equal to x such that x, next symbol belongs to is also used here to